Welcome back to Halftime Report on CNBC-TV18. As I was telling you before the break, the market is staging a recovery. We're actually in the green right now, and it's really very volatile. So you don't know which way it could go. But for now, there's been a recovery from the lows. Sacchitanand Uttekar joins in to tell us how to approach the market. Sacchitanand, things are changing on a dime. In fact, in the last 10-15 minutes itself, there's a recovery that's played out. But do you think that this sell-on rally is something that can continue? Because that's been the case over the last many months. And do you see much lower levels on the index in the near term?
Good afternoon, Sonia. I think the trend is clear enough. In fact, sell-on rise mode should continue. We have already seen this level of 17,000 defended in today's session. But if you look at the short-term averages, the prices are a bit away from, the current setup. So probably the pullback that we are seeing will again be a good opportunity. We're expecting this particular pullback to extend somewhere close to around 17,200, 17,240, which will be an ideal level to deploy fresh shorts. If you look at the structure, Nifty is comfortably trending below its 5 and 20 exponential moving average. So unless we don't see a closing above the 5-day exponential moving average, the probability of a reversal remains bleak. If you look at the levels, 17,320 from here on becomes a stiff resistance. So the stop losses should be placed somewhere close to that on a closing basis. And the opportunity which we are seeing right now on a pullback basis should be utilized to create shorts. The immediate support which we are looking at is the September-October 2022 lows, which are placed somewhere close to 16,860, 16,770. I think this will be a very important zone to track when it comes to support. So we don't see any major support before that. So definitely this sell-on rise mode should continue at least for this particular series.
You expect sell-on rise to probably continue into the March series. But what about specific stocks? And, let's talk about stocks which have managed to be resilient amidst the volatility. For example, TechM is up 5% this week. It's declining today, but nonetheless, Sun Pharma is up around 0.7%. A couple of these steel stocks haven't done too badly on a week-to-date basis. Do you see strength in them technically at these levels?
Not much. In fact, the rotation has been really healthy. If you look at on a stock like Sun Pharma, this particular stock.
So I think there's some issue with that video. So we'll just get to that in a bit, Sacchitanand. Sorry about that. For now, let's do one thing. Let's get you an update on which are the stocks which are recovering in trade. So there's suddenly a hue of green. And what's leading from the front is IndusInd Bank, L&T, Titan, Tata Steel, SBI Life, a couple of stocks that are batting for the bulls this afternoon. Let's slip into a short break. On the other side, we'll be joined by Raja Lahiri of Grant Thornton Bharat in our special segment, Deal Tracker. Stay tuned.